Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for tuning in. I got a little engine model I thought was really cool. So I got a little model kit from Engine DIY where you assemble this engine it's about this big, kind of on the small side. I'm kind of surprised it's that small. It looks really well detailed. It's going to be pretty eventful putting it together. It should be a lot of fun. That's what we're going to do in this video. If you want to see, stay tuned. Let's get this kit out of the box, show you what it looks like. Comes with some accessories here too. I believe this is a stand. Looks like it's 3D printed. Comes with a power bank. This will plug into a motor to make it spin after you assemble everything. Being a mechanic, my primary videos are Day in the Shop series, but I have an awful lot of plastic models. This Camaro I built a long time ago, you can tell by the dust. I actually do enjoy building models. This is not a new thing for me, although it is new on the channel. We'll keep opening this up, see what it all looks like. This is a supercharger, it looks like to me. These parts all screw together. If you can see these little holes, this is actually a screw together, not a glue together. Comes with hardware. There's little tiny bearings that go in this motor. Small parts. This is a pulley. It's going to be turned by a belt. Being careful not to lose or misplace anything. Pull this foam out of here. A lot of times that makes it more easy. This is a lower manifold, and it comes with compressor screws, which that's about the coolest thing ever. Shows you how a compressor works. It actually squeezes the air and drives it into the engine by force. Supercharging. These are shafts. I have not looked at the instructions. There is a barcode to scan in here. I'll show you that. How to find the instructions if you need more details how to assemble this, but I'm assuming it's going to go something to that effect. Driven by the belt. You only need to drive one to turn both of them, right? Engine DIY, MAD. QR code, you can find your instructions through that. This is the engine we'll be building. And it is a little smaller than I thought it would be, like I mentioned. A timing cover, flywheel. This is the plate that goes under the flywheel. Oil cooler, oil filter. Very cool. Little tiny filter goes in the filter cartridge housing. That's pretty cool. I'm going to set these parts off to the side. Quite a few goodies. This is a detailed engine. If you're into building models, this is an excellent kit for someone who's really into the finer details in a model. Cylinder heads. You can see where there's a place for valves to go. Seats inside here. This is an intake manifold. Engine block. Rocker covers or cam covers. Oil pan. A variety of small parts. Extremely detailed. I'm amazed, frankly, at how detailed it is. That's the motor that's going to turn it. These look like what we will call FAUX filters, faux filters. Exhaust manifolds, intake manifold, and inlet hose, which the air filters will most likely attach to, we'll assume. More parts. Continue taking the stacks of foam away. Be a little easier to see the rest of it. These look like injector rails, and this is a bunch of hardware. Now I thought this was a glue together kit when it first arrived. These are the screws that you assemble it with. This is going to be fun. Belts, red and black. We'll figure out exactly what the differences are and where they go. There'll be different lengths. Look at how tiny the bearings are. The small pieces of brass. This is just the unboxing part. We are going to do the full assembly. PM screw pack, precision thread. These are not self-tapping. These go into something that has a pre-tapped thread. And this is a circuit board. Motor, PCB, wire. So that's going to go over in this area. Download this QR code. Take a look at the instructions. Print those out. And we're going to put this together. One thing I like to do before I get started on the assembly, I want to paint a couple things. So I'm going to do that first. Clear the tree away so I can get to my components. Might as well use it to hold my parts. And I won't get to these till a little bit later. I'll have them painted. The only thing I can't decide is between gold and red. I see every engine with red. I think I'm going with gold. You can airbrush, or you can use a paintbrush. Might take 2 coats. Set to the side to dry. Need black for those. I'm also going to need a way to support them. Some detail and Q-tips I cut. Once those set up and dry, I'm going to put red on the edges. Bought a small tool kit, about $9. First step. Two by 5. Let's try it with the larger 2.5 spacer, the 2.5 bronze bushing instead of the 2mm. That's what it was. It says to use the 2mm, but the larger one worked, and the pulley spacing is correct. Starter's the next step. $4mm. Boy, this is tiny. Missing parts. Okay. 5 on the inside, 5 on the outside. Doesn't tell you got to put this on before the power steering pump, but you do. Compressor assembly. Never cut toward yourself, always away. There it is, guys, in all its glory. Supercharged MAD engine DIY V8 model. You can run this motor with the included power box, but you need a receiver and radio in order to do it. I don't have one of those set up for it. I'm going to use it for a display piece. It can be done, but we're not going to do it in this video. I hope this helps you with your build. If it's something that interests you, it is a pretty complicated, I would say advanced builder model engine. There'll be a link in the description below if you want to check one out, and it'll get you a discount. Thanks for watching.